What is going on, guys? This is Anatoly, and in this video we're gonna be talking about Comica. Yes, again, you see this mic I have right here, and this is something that we can use with this camera. Means that we don't need any iPad like I did it with that mic because I couldn't record it straight to this camera. Now we can use just this and use my interviewer mic from Comica. Let's talk about this, the Comica AD1. First of all, let's see what's in this pouch that is leather and it just feels really nice. It comes like this in the pouch. You open up, right here you have a belt loop, I guess it's called, but nobody's gonna really use that. So in this pouch it comes this whole kit that they sent it to me. By the way, thank you so much Comica for sending this over for a review. So nothing else in here, empty pouch. Let's put it right here, and here it is. So this is an adapter that comes from aux cable that I'm recording with right now, for example my Rode Mic Pro Plus, to XLR cable. Yes, so now you can use your professional audio by just using this adapter. And the cool part in this adapter that this is not only for the camera. In here on the switch it has a phone and it has a camera, so you can switch it. Plus besides that you have the gain control, so it means you can set up the perfect audio not just in your camera, you can set it up right in here. So let me show you something else. The reason why I have another aux cable here is I just wanted to show that you can plug this in like this, and now you're gonna have unbelievably long cable. That means you can set up a camera here and grab your interviewer mic or any mic that uses XLR cable, and you can go almost 10 to 15 meters away and still continue to have a good audio even though you're so far away from the camera because of this setup of this extra cable. But right now, since I'm sitting so close to the camera, I'm just going to show you how to use this on this camera with this mic. Yes, the Comica XLR interviewer mic that they did send it to me a while ago that I really love. Look at this. So we can use this just by hooking it up to here. Okay, and now I can hook it up this straight to the camera instead of my Rode Wireless Pro. So let's do this. Right now I'm talking to my Rode Microphone Pro Plus, and now I'm using this mic. Yes, correct. I can see my levels on my screen right now. That's because I'm using it. This thing, see the light is glowing in here, and I set it up again probably like up to 2 or 3 because at all the way 0 it didn't give me any waveforms on my screen. So right now I'm currently recording on this instead of my Rode mic, and yes, I'm recording it straight to my camera. It means that I don't need now my Zoom recorder, because before, to record a video with this mic when they sent it to me over, I had to record it on this. I had to record separate audio on my Zoom, I think H5 I have. So I connected this XLR cable to this all the way on the bottom with this cable, and I was recording it everything on this by using this mic, and then I was syncing it in the DaVinci Resolve. That's the company that I'm using. But now, since we have this beautiful adapter that connects straight to my camera, I don't need to use my recorder. I don't need to sync any audio. I just go straight to my camera and I can see that it is recording perfectly good. And I love this mic, by the way, guys. I told you guys, if you didn't watch this video, I think it's here. Click on it and watch this video about this mic. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this adapter for you guys, so you can go ahead and buy it and use it for your XLR mics that you guys have and you want to record straight in your camera. I think that's like the perfect adapter that I ever got in the past like few years. I mean, it got me hyped when I saw it, and that I'm the one gonna be reviewing this. I'm like, oh yeah, it's gonna be a fun one. So you guys decide for yourself if you need this adapter or not, but if you have one of these mics into your mics and you want to record straight in your camera, I think you should get one. This is Anatoly Washchenko. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.